What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In this episode of Going Tactical, I'm going to show you how to take your grocery getter and turn it into a bug out mobile, and I'm going to show you how it's done. Welcome back, YouTubers. I'm taking my grocery getter, which is an 02 Dodge Ram 1500, and I'm going to show you how to take this back seat and fold this down, and you can put anything you want in the back: ARs, rifles, pistols, jumper cables, emergency roads, flares, kits, first aid kits. I'm going to show you how this is done to fold this down so you can have access to the back. We're taking an 18mm socket on a 1/2-inch drive, extendable, and we're going to remove these 4 bolts. You got one here, one in the back, and you got 2 on the other side in the exact same spot. And we're going to just be able to lift this bench and move it out of the way. We remove the 4 bolts, lifted the seat up, now it's out of the way. Now all we got to do is take these, flip them. And to do that, what you need: impact, 8mm, and a razor blade to trim the excess off, so that way you have room to flip this. All right, so we got both of them flipped, cut out, flipped them, torqued them down. I had to twist my seatbelt, so while you're back here, might as well fix it, smooth it on out. And now it's time to reinstall the seat. Now the seat's reinstalled. Now, not only can I store stuff down here, move the seat about 45 degrees. Now I got the entire back as well. It may only give you 2-3 inches, but if you remove this sound dampening material and you can put, like, cut your own foam stuff, you just remove all this, cut it like right here. You can put first aid kit, AR, your 9mm, your Glocks, Smith & Wessons, or whatever, throughout the whole thing fitted, and it won't fall out because you got the back of the seat. So you have all that and you're good to go. So now you can carry your firearms here, still have a table to freaking do your work. Put it back up, 45 degree, slam it back, slam it down. Not going anywhere. Easy peasy. So there you have it, folks. Quick, easy mod to a Dodge on Gen 3s. I do know they do make riser plates so you don't have to flip them, but I'd rather just bolt the back factory. But now I can put anything back there that I want, you know, safety supplies, flares, ammo, guns, you know what, out of sight, out of mind. And it's the perfect bug out mobile when you need it. So there you go. I don't know what I'm going to put back in it yet. So until next time, I'm Mr. Grit. If you like it, subscribe, and keep posted, and I'll keep posting more tactical stuff. Until then, let's stay tactical.